Hello there, this is Derek and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you how you're going to be able to turn your Android phone into an iOS device. So specifically, this is actually going to turn your Android phone into iOS 14. So first of all, what you need to do is you go to your Play Store and then you search for launcher iOS 14, and then you can see a lot of them right here, but you just pick this one right here, the second one right here. And I'm not doing a review for this application because I've been paid or something. I'm just sharing with you so that you guys will be able to just try it out. So what you do is you just tap on the app and then you download it right away, and afterwards it will take you to the inside of the app, and then you do some necessary setups, which I'm going to show you when this app is done downloading. So once the app is done downloading, you open the application and you're going to get this pop-up page, and the launcher would actually load and then give you an interface where you will do the settings. So this is actually the first interface you're going to see, and it will allow you to just choose in between the wallpapers you feel like you want to use. So you can just scroll through, and the one which you think maybe is cool for you, you can just pick them up and then you click on get started right here. So let's say I'm going to pick this one. Let me pick one that is a bit vibrant. All right, so I'm going to pick this one, and then I just click on get started, and I'm going to click on allow. Right, so what you need to do next is you have to go to your settings, and then you just allow this one right here. You go inside of the app and then you just go allow this. So I'm going to go to my app right away, and I'm going to look for iOS launcher, iOS 14 launcher, and just allow that settings right there. They are asking me to allow, and I go back to the application and it's going to start working. So let's just check this, and you do the same to your phone. Okay, so this is it, and you're going to just allow, and afterwards it will bring you back to the application, and then you allow, and then you are good to go. So when it's done, it's gonna actually just allow you to choose between full screen, where your panel is beneath right here on your Android phone is just gonna get missing, where this one's right here is gonna get lost. So it's gonna allow you to just pick in between them, or you actually want a full screen and it make it look like an iPhone right away. So you click on get started. I'm gonna pick it like that, and it's gonna start loading. All your applications will be kept safely in this launcher, and it's actually going to be the same as the apps you've downloaded on your phone. So this is how it looks like. It looks like an iPhone, and you can choose to set as your default launcher right here if you feel you are okay with it and you just want to have it right there. So these are my Google apps, right? And then it just looks like an iPhone apps, and then my recorder, everything just changes into an iPhone thing. And you can scroll through, and then you can scroll through your applications, and you see how it's being listed or it's been labeled right here, and you can see everything looks like an iPhone. It just doesn't glitch. It's so slick right here. You guys can see right away. And when you look at this side too, everything just looks like an iPhone. You can even add widgets right here, and basically it's going to make it look 100% like an iPhone. So I'm just going to add these widgets right away here. So it's done, and you guys can see it's so cool. You guys can just play around with this, and it's going to allow you to just add a lot of things you feel like you want to add. So it's create right here. So when you see the bridges like this, you can just play with it, and that is basically very cool. So this is one thing I think you guys should just try it out. So you can see it takes you back to your Android when you just tap on it, and when you scroll down like this, you're going to see your control center, which is super cool. I think this launcher did very well because it shows everything like an iPhone, which is very crazy about it. So you scroll down, you're gonna see your notification, and everything looks like an iPhone. You swipe, you see everything like an iPhone. Everything is unlocked just like an iPhone. So I think this is, you press on this, you're gonna get your touch, and you're cool, and then you can just press here and then get your camera, which I don't want to just start it right away. So I think this is one launcher you guys should try it out, and I've been using it for a while, but I deleted it for the sake of the video, so that I'm going to be able to just show you guys how you're going to be able to just get it. But if you just want to go back to your old launcher or your old phone, you can just uninstall this, or you can go to your settings and then just disallow whatever they ask you to allow it, and then you just go back to your old phone. So if this video was very helpful, I think you give it a thumbs up here and subscribe to the channel, and then make a day for all the new upcoming videos, which is going to be very entertaining. So stick around so that you don't miss anything, and then catch you in the next one. Peace.